We are Filipinos. Of course, pag lumalapit kami sa malaking puno, we say tabi-tabi po. Tabi po.
We are Filipino. Of course, we often say hats patabi.
Yes, sure.
We are a Filipino. Of course, gumagamit kami ng po at opo. Maraan po.
Sorry po. We're Filipinos. Of course, we're always on time. Guys, where are you? Dan lang yung usapan, no? It's almost 11.
We're a Filipino. Of course, nagmamano kami as a sign of respect. Pagkiyog ka lang.
We're Filipinos. Of course, lagi kami nagsisimba.